Today's topic is one your skin, joints, and even your bones will thank you for. We're diving into collagen, the protein that holds us together, literally. As we age, collagen production slows dramatically, which is why many over 50 notice sagging skin, wrinkles, joint stiffness, and slower recovery. But what if one drink a day could help rebuild collagen naturally? No expensive pills, no cosmetic surgery, just simple, natural solutions backed by science. Let's explore the best anti-aging drinks to restore collagen and glow from within. Section 1. What is collagen and why do we lose it? Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body. It acts like scaffolding, providing structure and strength to your skin, bones, tendons, and ligaments. Think of it as the glue that keeps everything in place. Smooth skin, flexible joints, healthy hair, and strong nails. But starting as early as your 30s, collagen production begins to decline. By your 50s and 60s, it may drop by more than 30%. Factors like sun exposure, sugar, smoking, and even stress speed up this loss. You might notice wrinkles deepening, skin becoming thinner, joints aching more often, and wounds healing slowly. But here's the good news. Your body can be supported to rebuild collagen naturally, and one of the best ways is through what you drink. Let's now explore 5 of the most powerful collagen-building drinks you can enjoy daily. Section 2. Bone broth, the original collagen elixir. First up, bone broth, the ancient remedy that's made a modern comeback. Simmering animal bones for hours releases powerful nutrients into the broth, including type 1 and type 3 collagen, which support your skin, bones, and tendons. It's also rich in glycine, proline, and glutamine, amino acids essential for rebuilding collagen fibers and healing the gut. Many people over 50 also report improved digestion, reduced joint pain, and better sleep after drinking bone broth consistently. To boost the benefits even more, add a splash of lemon juice during cooking or before drinking. Why lemon juice? Because it's rich in vitamin C, a crucial cofactor in the production of collagen. Without enough vitamin C, your body can't convert proline and glycine into strong collagen chains. Drink 1 warm cup of homemade or high-quality bone broth daily, ideally in the morning or evening. Avoid store-bought versions with preservatives. Look for organic or grass-fed sources when possible. You'll be giving your skin and joints the raw materials they need to thrive naturally. Section 3. Collagen peptide powder, the easy boost. Next, let's talk about collagen peptides, also called hydrolyzed collagen. This is collagen that's broken down into small, absorbable pieces that your body can easily use. Studies show that taking 2.5 to 10 grams daily for 8 to 12 weeks can significantly improve skin elasticity, hydration, and wrinkle depth. It also supports joint health, bone density, and muscle repair, which becomes even more important as we age. Collagen peptides are odorless and tasteless, making them easy to mix into smoothies, coffee, or even water. Look for products labeled type 1 and 3 collagen, sourced from grass-fed bovine or wild-caught marine sources. For added benefits, choose a blend that includes hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, or biotin. And be consistent. This isn't a one-and-done fix. Your body needs time to build up reserves and repair tissue. Within a month, many users notice stronger nails, glowing skin, and less joint discomfort. Collagen powder is one of the simplest daily habits that can produce visible, measurable results over time. It's especially helpful for those who don't eat animal-based collagen foods regularly. Section 4. Aloe vera juice, a natural collagen stimulator. A surprising drink that boosts collagen naturally? Aloe vera juice. Most people think of aloe for burns or skincare, but drinking aloe can actually stimulate your body's own collagen production. How? Aloe contains compounds that activate fibroblasts, the specialized skin cells responsible for producing collagen and elastin. It's also rich in vitamins A, C, and E, which protect collagen from damage and encourage tissue repair. One study showed that daily aloe vera supplementation improved skin elasticity and reduced facial wrinkles in just 90 days. It also supports gut health, which plays a huge role in nutrient absorption and inflammation, 2 major collagen factors. Be sure to choose pure aloe vera juice, free of added sugars or artificial colors. Start with small servings like 1 to 2 ounces daily and increase gradually. You can mix it with lemon water, herbal tea, or blend into smoothies for a refreshing, healing drink that works from the inside out. Section 5. Cucumber juice and silica-rich foods. Another lesser-known collagen ally is cucumber juice. Cucumbers are high in silica, a trace mineral that supports the structure of collagen and helps maintain firm, elastic skin. Silica also strengthens bones, hair, and nails, all of which weaken as collagen declines with age. Fresh cucumber juice hydrates the skin from within and helps flush out toxins that damage collagen. You can juice cucumbers with mint or lemon for a refreshing, mineral-rich morning tonic. Pair cucumber juice with foods like bananas, leafy greens, and oats, which also contain silica and magnesium, another mineral essential for collagen synthesis. Drinking cucumber-based smoothies or juices just a few times a week can contribute to smoother skin and stronger connective tissue. Section 6. What to avoid if you want to keep collagen. Now, just as important as what you drink is what you avoid. Certain habits and foods actively destroy collagen or prevent your body from making it. First, refined sugar. It causes glycation, where sugar molecules attach to collagen fibers and make them stiff, brittle, and prone to breaking. Next, vegetable oils like soybean, corn, or sunflower oil. These are high in omega-6 fats and create oxidative stress that degrades collagen. Smoking, even secondhand smoke, floods the body with toxins that damage skin and blood vessels. Alcohol, especially in excess, dehydrates cells and reduces nutrient absorption. Lack of sleep and chronic stress raise cortisol levels, which has been linked to collagen breakdown and aging skin. If you want to restore and maintain your collagen, these are just as important to address as adding healthy drinks. A holistic approach works best. Nourish your body while removing the silent collagen killers. There you have it, some of the most powerful natural drinks to help rebuild collagen after 50. From bone broth and collagen peptides to aloe vera and cucumber juice, these options nourish your body from the inside out. Remember, aging gracefully isn't about expensive creams or surgeries. It's about consistent, nourishing habits that support your body's natural strength and beauty. So raise a glass to your health and give your body what it needs to look younger, feel stronger, and live longer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Better Health Over 50 for more natural wellness every week.